Hey, this is David. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the terminal block on an electric GE range. The terminal block connects the electric range to the power source so your range can get the electricity it needs to work correctly. You'll need to change out this part if it failed testing or has been damaged. Before we get started, hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to join our do-it-yourself repair community and get notified each time we put out a new video guide. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. First, we need to get our tools together. Today, we'll just need a 1/4-inch nut driver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your range from power by unplugging it or switching the breaker off before you start working on it. Now let's get started. Go ahead and remove the 1/4-inch screws that hold the terminal block cover and set it aside. Then remove the 3 screws that hold the power cord on. Once those are loose, remove the ground strap screw and pull out the power cord. Next, you're going to loosen the 2 1/4-inch screws that hold the terminal block on. Now you should be able to remove the bad terminal block and remove the wires from the terminal block. Once you have the new terminal block, you'll need to insert the wires, and as you do this, remember that the center wire is always the white neutral wire. Install the new terminal block with the 2 1/4-inch screws. Now you can reconnect the power cord with the 3 screws. Once you've done that, you can reinstall the ground screw. To reinstall the terminal block cover, use the nut driver to replace the 1/4-inch screws. Don't forget to plug your range back in or turn that breaker back on. You've made it. Awesome work, and thanks for sticking with us. Don't forget to drop a comment below to share how your repair turned out. And if you're still in need of a replacement terminal block, jot down your model number and swing by AppliancePartsPros.com to place your order. Your part should arrive in just a few days. While you're in there, why not hit the like button and subscribe to our channel? We've got a ton of troubleshooting and repair guides waiting for you, plus all the parts you need to tackle the job yourself at AppliancePartsPros.com. Your support means a lot to us, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.